be there. I can be there until you're home. You weren't touched by a man in so long. 'Cause the last time it was way too strong. Let me be there for you. Let me love you like you need. And I'll make it my responsibility. I'll be there every step of the way. Get you back on your feet. Let me love you. Let me love you. And you can get me. It's okay, babe. I promise that I'll find love. Back then I was sorry, and now I'm searching for baby, every angel is terrified.
Intense, graphic, sexy, euphoric, provocative, edgy, thought-provoking, technically and visually stunning. A compelling work of science fiction. A suspenseful expose. Cinema like you've never seen it before. The exotic, bizarre, and beautiful world of Afterlife. And this is your invitation to enter. Critics say Afterlife makes your current life look like a total comatose snooze fest. It's action-packed, the future of everyone's fate. Nigel and Frank call it a classic. Arthur Flemminger says,
I can't keep my eyes off the screen.
Afterlife can be yours for only $4.95 with a subscription when you order the Best of Your Card Life Collection series. You'll enter a world beyond your imagination. A future out of control. And an experience you'll never forget.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
The wait is over. Call 1-800-414-4444. That's 1-800-444-4444 now to order Afterlife. $4.95 plus. Now. To order Afterlife plus $3.79 shipping and handling. Now.
I see you drowning in your purple lights. Now they're shining bright. I see the lights on you. Snatch my soul up, crucified. I feel paralyzed. I'm so mesmerized by you, but I know you're right. I keep coming. Can I just leave the room to stop and I could be the one you want just as long as you don't break my heart.
When I kissed you, I could take it. Just you.
But don't you worry, just don't break my heart. Don't let me down, please. Don't you break my heart. I don't know if I can anymore. Don't break my heart. I'm falling apart already. Don't you break my heart. I don't know if I can take it anymore. The way you hypnotize me, I could tell you've been in control. You manifested this, but girl, I blame myself. Things I should've known. The whispers that I hear are blowing through my ears. These words I need to hear from you. Now this is a fling. You're on someone's ring. And that's the thing I'm sharing you. Ooh, I heard you're married, girl. And I knew that this was too good to be true. Ooh, I heard you're married, girl. If you don't love, then do yourself a favor and just leave it. Your number in my phone, I'm gon' delete it. Girl, I'm way too grown for that deceiving. Now I'm sure you have your issues and your reasons. But why you even pretend if you cheated? Know that you are someone that I could be with. Yeah. And it kills me that I'm sharing you. Oh, I heard you're married, girl. I knew that this was too good to be true. Ooh, I heard you're married, girl. And I hate it. Ooh, I heard you're married, girl.